Moving to Portugal on your savings or pension. The D7 visa is the route, but the paperwork is where people get stuck. That's where Locallista comes in, where expats get local. The D7 is Portugal's residency visa for non-EU citizens who live on passive income, a pension, rentals, or dividends. You must show stable passive income of at least €920 a month for the main applicant, plus 50% for a partner and 30% per child. A family of 4 needs close to €2,000. The process takes 4 to 6 months. You get a NIF and a Portuguese bank account, sign a 12-month lease, gather apostilled documents, and apply at the consulate via VFS Global. The catch? You cannot file without a NIF and a bank account first. Apostilled criminal records take weeks, and the AIMA backlog in Lisbon runs 90 to 120 days. That's why expats use a vetted, English-speaking immigration lawyer from Locallista to file the whole D7. As the guide says, a lawyer pays for itself. And this matters. These reviews were collected by phone by Locallista staff, not self-submitted, not filtered. Here's what Muhammad had to say. I reached out for an immigration consultation. The advice was helpful with good insights, the communication was clear, and I would recommend their service. And this is what other community members had to say about our vetted lawyers. Search Locallista to find an immigration lawyer in Lisbon, link below, and subscribe for more Portugal guides.